Ever wondered how crucial effective marketing is to business growth? Well, let's dive into this. Imagine marketing as the lifeblood of any thriving business. It's the bridge that connects businesses to their target audience, allowing them to communicate their value. It's the architect designing a strong brand image in the minds of consumers. It's the engine that drives increased sales, propelling the company forward. So, marketing stands as a cornerstone for business expansion, but how does one execute it effectively? Consider the story of BrandX, a small startup that transformed into a market leader thanks to its innovative marketing strategies. BrandX began by clearly identifying their target audience, not just who they were, but also their needs, wants, and behaviors. This understanding was the foundation upon which they built their unique selling proposition. They didn't stop there. They harnessed the power of the digital world, using various online channels to reach their audience. This wasn't just about being visible, it was about engaging and building relationships. They used social media to start conversations, email marketing to keep their audience updated, and search engine optimization to make it easy for their audience to find them. But what set BrandX apart was their commitment to measuring their marketing success. They tracked metrics, analyzed data, and used the insights to refine their strategies, making them even more effective. BrandX's story demonstrates that creative and strategic marketing can propel a business to new heights. So, what can we learn from BrandX's marketing success? Key points include understanding your target audience, knowing what makes your product or service stand out, leveraging the power of digital marketing, and constantly measuring your marketing performance. It's not just about selling, it's about creating a narrative that resonates. Knowing your audience allows for a tailored approach, a unique selling proposition grabs attention. Digital marketing amplifies reach, and measurement ensures strategy effectiveness. Remember, effective marketing is not just about selling products or services, it's about telling a story that resonates with your audience.